Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to my ClickBank series. This is day number 28. I messed up yesterday on my days. I got a day off. But this is day 28, actually. So I'm going to be picking back up from where I left off. If you would, please do me a huge favor. If this is your first time here, please hit that subscribe button down below. That way you'll get notified every time I upload a new video. Also, if you would, please give this video a thumbs up if you like it. So what I'm doing is I'm promoting ClickBank products with a service called My Lead Gen Secrets right here. And what My Lead Gen Secrets is, it's a platform where you could get 100 leads every single day for $1. And I got 2 accounts signed up to it because with 2 accounts, I signed up my second account underneath my first account. So now my first account gets 200 leads. And I'm just doing a case study to see if you can actually make money promoting ClickBank products using this service. The case studies that I have seen on here before I started mine, I've seen people using 5 accounts and I've seen people using 7 accounts, and they're doing really good. The more accounts that you have, the more leads you're going to get. So I'm only using 2. And if you're just tuning in, go back and watch the very first video of this series. It'll better explain how to set up those accounts to where you are getting extra leads like that. And it explains exactly what the whole purpose of this whole case study that I'm doing is, and better explains everything nice and slow, because I'm going to kind of breeze through this, so for the people that have been following along. Alright, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to sign into my ClickBank account to check to see if I got any sales. I do that every time. I did not get a sale. So that would have been for the 28th right there. So I did not get a sale. So we're going to send the emails out for the 29th. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to click on my account name that I'm using. I'm going to close this other tab. I don't need it. We've gotten 1 sale so far this week. And I'm going to click up here on reporting so I could check a couple of things real quick. 4470. I got $0. Got so many hops we got. All right, so now I'm going to check my tracking IDs. I see my hops. I see Social Reps hops, and it's got more hops than the right app so far. Gonna click on my tracking ID. I just want to see how my accounts are doing. My second account has half the leads that my first account has, and it only has 300 less hops. So my second account is really doing good right now. All right, somebody was asking me, can they check to see where the leads are coming from, like what countries they can. If I click right here on the far left, I was just clicking to check my tracking ID. Right below that is customer country. So if I click on that, let me turn my phone off real quick, then it'll show the countries that my leads are coming from. So I got majority is coming from the United States, and then got 8 from Canada. So that's how you can check that by customer country over here on the far left. All right, so now I'm going to go promote my next product. We didn't get any sales with the product I was just promoting. The sale that I did get this week came from a previous product that I was promoting. So I can't even count that with the product that I was selling. So the leads that we are getting only work for the e-business and e-category. Right here, the e-business and e-marketing category, I should say. They are people that have filled out their information on websites where they had to put their name and email on websites where they were trying to make money online. So that's why they only fall in the category e-business and e-marketing. So if you click on e-business and e-marketing, you'll come to this page. So what we're going to do now, we're going to start to promote a new product this week. So what we're going to do, it says sort results by rank. We're going to change that rank to gravity. And to be honest with you, I want to go back to this first one to get paid to use Facebook, because that's the one that I keep making sales on that I haven't even promoted in a while, but I'm still getting sales. So I'm going to come back and promote this one for the week. So what I'm going to do that is I'm going to click on this affiliate page. It's going to open a new tab. I'm going to come down here to where it says email swipes. Right here where it says email swipes. Now I haven't used all of these emails, so I'm going to start with, probably end it with that one or somewhere close to it. So I'm going to start with email number 8. So I'm going to come back to my lead gen secrets and I'm going to sign in. In order to get signed up for my lead gen secret, there is a link below this video. Just click on that link and it'll direct you right there. And then go back and watch the first video on how to set up your multiple accounts. It always makes me sign in twice for some reason. All right, so once you get here, you're just going to click on mailing system. And you're going to select all, and it's going to move all of your leads over here. I got 33,000 of them. And right here where it says subject, we're going to come back to our affiliates page up here. I'm going to come down to the email, and it's going to have a subject line. We can use make $945 a week by Magic. And it's like, seriously? Or we can use this one, we're hiring you, and use their name. I'm going to use this first one. And I copy that with Control C on the keyboard. I'm going to hit Control V to paste it. And I'm going to put this $sign in front of there to make it look better. I like putting that $sign in front of there to let people know you can make some money. I'm going to erase all of this in this body right here. I'm going to come back, highlight everything underneath body, and I'm going to stop where it says signature. I'm not going to get that link. That is not our affiliate link, so we don't need it. So I'm going to hit Control C and copy. Come back over here, hit Control V to paste. And then what I like to do, I like to move that down the line, then type 0 through 9. And then I do that 4 times. So the reason I do that is because I don't want my sentences to stretch out further than that. So after the word performing, I'm just going to drop down and make this sentence another line and just continue to do that throughout the whole email. So that's the reason I do that, to make it look better. So if somebody's looking at it on their phone, it's not all, it's weird looking at it on the phone. I'll just say that much. All right, so I like to edit mine in Notepad, so I'm just going to copy all this, cut it out. I'll just paste it in here, just like this. So after performing, I'll just start a new line, just like that. And all I'm doing, I'm just clicking in front of the word I want to move down, and I'm hitting the backspace, and then enter. Click in front, backspace, enter. Click in front, backspace, enter. All right. So now I'm going to copy this. I'm going to come back to my lead gen secret email. I'm going to paste it just like that. Now right here where it says name, we're going to come up here and it has these little codes: full name, first name, last name, email address, IP address, and sign up date. The one we want is the first name. We're just going to call them by their first name. So we're going to highlight all of that, copy it, and we're going to paste it right there where it says name. So it should look like that. And then down here where it says signature, we're going to highlight that. We're just going to put our name, put your name there. All right, so everything looks good. We don't have nothing else to edit for that. Now what we need to do, we need to come back to the ClickBank part, the marketplace, And we need to get our affiliate link and put it in our email, so when people click on it and buy from that link, then we will be the ones to get the commission. So to do that, this is the one we're promoting to get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. We're going to click on promote. Now what is required is your account nickname. So you should have already just clicked on your account nickname to get here in the first place. But if you didn't, make sure your account nickname is correct. That's how they identify you to get paid. Now what is optional is a tracking ID. Like I checked my 2 accounts earlier because I have 2 tracking IDs. One's for my first account, one's for my second account. Since this is my first account, I'm just going to put MLGS. That stands for My Lead Gen Secret. And so that's my tracking link. You can use whatever you want to use, whatever is easy for you if you're going to use a tracking ID. Then you just click on create hop link, and there's your link. As soon as people go to this link and they click on it, that's how you get paid. So now I'm just going to click. There's a button that looks kind of like this, but it's on the far right that says copy. My video's covering it up. So I'm going to click copy, and it says hop link copied. That's how I know it's copied. I'm going to come back to my mailing system, and I'm going to try to find places where I could put this link. So I'm just going to skim through. And you'll know where to put it. Like right here. Hit this blue line to confirm your application. So what you do, you highlight the whole sentence. Wherever you want to insert the link, you just highlight that whole part that you want to insert it at. Then you'll come up here and click on this little link, or you can hit Control L. As you can see, if I highlight over it, it says link, Control L. So click on that and it'll pop up this box, and that's where you will paste your link. And then you will click OK. And you'll hit perfect timing. Make sure that perfect timing box is checked. It's not the end of the world if it's not. Now, right next to this send button, there's a red preview button. I like to preview my emails first to make sure that the link is actually working. So if I click on it, it should take me to the link. There it is. So the link works. So I'll close that out. Then I'll hit send email. It says images are only supported using the insert image button on the email body editor. Please remove the pasted images from your body. Oh, I guess they're talking about that. So I guess we can't use this smiley face. That's the first time I ever seen that message. So I'm going to try this again. Now it should go through this time. So if you see that little smiley face pop up, or any kind of emojis, I guess you can't use emojis. They'll make you erase it. All right, now once you see a timer down here, it starts at 23 hours. I cannot send another email using this program for another 23 hours. So now I want to send out emails with my second account. So the quickest way to do that is to scroll all the way back up here at the top. Do not sign out of this account. Just leave this one signed in. Do not log out. On the tab, right click on it, hit duplicate. Now sign out of the one that you just duplicated. You're going to hit log out. Be sure the first one that you just sent your emails out is still open. Log out of the other one, the one you just duplicated. You should already be on it. So log out, and you're going to log back in with your second account. All right. And then we're going to repeat the steps. We're going to click on mailing system, select all, scroll down to the subject line, and then we're just going to hit the tab right in front of this one, and we're going to steal the subject line from there, copy it, come right back. And then here we're going to hit Control A to select all. And then we'll delete that, come back to the first tab, hit Control A to select all, Control C to copy, come back, hit Control V to paste, click the perfect timing button, and then I'm going to double click on here. If you're tracking, the easiest way to put your tracking link, and you're using numbers like me, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or whatever, just double click on that link, and you can put your number 2 back there. Then you'll just click OK, and click preview, click on the link to make sure that it works. It works, so I can close that out. And then I'll just hit send email. And it's literally that simple. Now these lists take time to build up, so your first couple of months you're not going to see too many sales coming in. You're just building up this list. Try to build a list for 6 months. That's what I just did right now. This is like the 5th month I've had this list. So, and I've already got 16,600 on this one and 33,000 on the other one. So I got a lot of leads already. So just give it a try. Try it out. See if you get any sales. The link below for my lead gen secret is below this video. So check that out. And I'll see you all tomorrow. We'll check on my results for today, tomorrow, if that makes sense. You all take care and you all have a good day. Stay safe.